people, Wagwan, what's up? It's been a while. Welcome to Mommy and Jerome's channel. It's been a while since I bought some things and went over a little review with you guys. So today was the perfect day to do that because Carl's out of town, Jerome's out of town, and Joelle is at school. So hey, there wouldn't be a better day. Not in the near future at least. And so I took the time to go to Ross. Y'all, I went to Ross just to buy one Christmas wreath because I had a Christmas wreath previously, a blue one, but I've been in the one for about 7 years, so I've had it for 5 or 6 years. So I kind of washed out, so this year I decided I wanted to get a new wreath. And so I thought, Ross opens early, so that's kind of the place I wanted to go check out. Anyways, went in there for one wreath. Another pair. One bag. 2 bags. And that's a giant bag. 3 bags. And then bag number 4. And that's something that's not in a bag because I'm afraid to break. So since I got home, after dropping out Jojo at school at 8:30, I went to Ross. I was out of there by like 9:30, 9:40. When I was on my way home, I remember checking the clock. Then I came home, I cleaned the living room, I started laundry. I'm doing my second load right now. So anyway, just so that you can hear me clearly, I'm gonna go ahead and go shut the washer off. Thank you so much for joining me. We're about to go through it. So the first thing that I want to show you, just because I was really scared I didn't want it to break. Guys, I'm so nervous about it. I didn't want it to break in the store. I didn't want it to break while I was putting it in my car. I literally put it in Jojo's car seat and put like clothes around it so nothing would happen to it. So as soon as I got home, I took it out. So I bought this crystal vase here, the crystal glass vase. I gave a couple people flowers this year, and when I gave them the flowers, it included the vase that I had at home. And so I wanted to purchase another one for myself. I didn't have a vase this shape before, so I'm pretty excited about it. Here's the vase. I'm gonna bring it up to y'all. It's really nice. It's really nice. I like it. So this is one thing that I got. I think I paid $10.99 for this or $9.99. There was also a longer version of it that was $12.99, but I didn't want to get a tall vase. I've always had tall vases. So this kind of changed up the thing a little bit, I'm gonna get some flowers today when I go to Costco and put it in my vase. I'll show you guys that when I'm done. Alright. Something else that I got for like home decor. So we're going to paint our kitchen at some point in time. We have to paint and everything. Because I don't know if y'all know or if I told you, Paul and I are the ones who actually painted our living room. I painted the passageway. I painted most of our bathroom, and he painted the kids' bathroom. So the kitchen was the other place. We didn't get to it over my summer break, and I don't foresee us getting to it before the next summer break. So in the meantime, when I see stuff that I want, so above the covers there's a space. So I plan on putting these there. So I bought 2 of these because Carl's grandma who passed, not the one that passed this year. So Carl's grandma actually passed 2 weeks ago, and I don't know if you guys know, some of you may know from my previous videos that my grandma actually passed in September. So it's been a shift, it's been a change for us. But his grandma who passed 2 years ago, she actually left something for us. They're like really unique vases that she's had. And so I'm going to put those on top of the cupboard up there for more than one reason. I don't want the kids to have access to it. I don't want people to have access to it, in case I'm entertaining or guests come over. Because it's something that's going to be special to us. So we're not going to technically use them, but they're always going to be there because there's something that we want to have. So I'm going to put these 2 on top along with that. And I wanted another box flower. You know them flowers are in a box? But I wanted like a rectangular shaped one because I want it to be right in the middle, right? Today at Ross, what they had was more Christmassy. And I'm not looking for something Christmassy because I need it to work all year long. Christmas is my favorite time. I'm gonna make sure vlog on this to decorate for Christmas. I love Christmas, but I still spend nice things. Alright. This is a full leather pants I bought from Ross. And it's $14.99. It's usually sold for $24.99. I really like it. There was another one similar to it, but the reason why I chose this one is because it has belt loops, so I can use my belt. And it has a button. The other one was more like a jegging. There was no belt. There were pockets in the back. This little pocket in the front is actually functional. I didn't notice that before. So I got this. Kind of excited about wearing it at some point in time. You know, I spend a lot of my time at home with the kids and, you know, running errands. So I don't often feel like dressing up. I don't often dress up or wear makeup or any of that. By choice, it's not that I can't. So unless I plan for it, it doesn't really happen. So this is another brown jacket that I got. I really like that it's lined on the inside. Oh, it's so soft, y'all. It's so soft and warm. I'm excited to wear this. I also like that it's ruched around the waist because oftentimes when it's winter and you wear all of these heavy jackets and stuff, you don't see any shape to you. It's all it's just straight. And I mean, I'm not the curviest, but of course I have to take that into consideration, right, when I'm buying things. So I like this. I also like that it has gold zippers. Gold is one of my favorite accents to go with. And I like this little drawstring around the hood as well. This one was $27.99. All right. Whoops. It's all right. It's all right. I'm not gonna... Then here's the other top that I bought. And I really like this top because it is thermal and lined. So sometimes when it gets cold, and in New Orleans it doesn't snow. Since I've been here, I've only seen it snow once. And I mean, it was so warm it didn't even stick. So, however, it does get cold. It can get to freezing sometimes. I believe last year we probably had maybe three days. However, it doesn't happen very often and it doesn't last long, but still it's cold and dreary and I don't like it. So here we go. I got this because it's cozy. It's real soft on the outside. Feels like wool or cotton blend. And then on the inside, it's lined with thermal. And so I foresee when I wear this, I really don't need to wear an undershirt or something else with this. This should be warm enough. People from like New York and New Jersey, want to tell me if this is true. Somebody told me that when you're going outside, you have to put on so much layers because it's snow, it's cold, it's windy. And then as soon as you get in a business place or you get home or somebody's home, you got to strip down instantly because you start sweat. So I just have that one and then maybe I'll wear with one of these jackets if I need to, whatever, you know. I was also thinking that this and the black faux leather pants could be cool too, right? That's one bag. Here's my other bag. I got these lined jeggings. So warm. And it's really lined around the waist. This is a size XL. It doesn't have a drawstring. That was the only drawback to it. Of course, I prefer when they have a drawstring so you can adjust it. I didn't even try it on. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't even try it on. But it looks super cozy. I like that it's straight legged and it's tapered down here. Yeah, so I look forward to wearing this and staying warm. Right, here's the other thing that I bought. Woo! Hold on, something out with my broke. Take good time, yeah? Alright. Here's another jacket that I bought. And this one, I really like it because it's really thick. You also have this little bow fur thing going on, which I don't mind. Inside, it's lined really soft, and when you feel it, you can feel that there's also something else on the inside, so it's stuffed or insulated, whatever you may want to call it. Then the collar, look at the collar, guys. There's a collar. There's a hood. If you want, there's a zipper. You can remove the hood. Isn't that cool? I like that. I really like that. Because can wear it any way you choose. And then, anyways, it's really light. This one doesn't have the shaper around the waist like I was telling you guys earlier. It does have a belt though. So you use the belt and it comes in the front, click it. I love that it has pockets, zipper pockets, and they're really deep. So my phone can fit in here, my card, whatever else, you know. So I really like this one. This is more of a puffer style, but I like the versatility of it, right? So I like that I can remove the hood. I like that I can wear it without the hood, with the hood. I like that it has a belt around it that I can use, and if I choose not to use it, I can do that as well. And I love that it seems very warm and comfy. I don't know if this would be categorized as a puffer jacket. Yeah, but it's lined, it's thick, and it'll do the job. It'll definitely do the job. All right. Now let me tell y'all a story about this. So one time when I was in Jamaica, I wanted like a spoon holder, a utensil holder for my kitchen. And so I brought one from Jamaica, I wrapped it up real tight. Y'all know when you wrap up something from Jamaica? So I wrap it up tight, and then after I wrap it up tight in a newspaper and bag and assets or something and tape it up, then I put it in, I rolled it up, I believe it was either in a towel or a jacket, right? However, I also rolled up a coffee in the same jacket, so I just rolled them up to meet, right? Anyways, come back up foreign, and I was like, yes, it didn't break, because one, TSA didn't go through my luggage, so everything was still the same, and a lot of things that I went through didn't break. But then as soon as I was opening it up, I unrolled the towel, and I see it, and I said, it not break. Guess what? Something just dropped on the floor when I reached a foreign and broke. Can you imagine? I brought it all the way from Jamaica, come here, and it broke. So anyways, I bought one today at Ross. I saw this one. It's marble, so it's really thick and heavy, but it is broad, so I really like it because it is broad, so I can set more than one thing, because sometimes, you know, I'm cooking more than one thing and I don't want to mix the spoons and the forks and the utensils and whatnot. And sometimes Carl is also cooking something too. So this one, I think we could put like 3 utensils on it, 3 big utensils. So I'm really excited about finding this. I've been really in love with using marble lately. So yeah, so I really like this. All right, next thing, I don't know if I even want one of these slide-ons. Oh my God, this one is so gorgeous. It's a Puma too. So I'm very excited about this. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of it up close. I might just put it on so y'all can see. And I wear wide waist, so sometimes like slide-on zippers don't really do the job, especially when they don't have like a Velcro strap that I can adjust. But this one is perfect, so if your feet are a little wide, this will work for you. So I'm super excited about this. They're so pretty. I can't wait to take it out during the summer. And I think that's it for this bag. We're going to last bag. All right, here we go. This is the last bag. This is the Christmas wreath that I decided to buy, right? So this one, let me tell you guys why I decided to buy this one. So I decided to buy this one because it's pretty bare, right? So you have this on top, you have this down here. It's really cute and everything. And it's also a good iron frame, and I like the Merry Christmas in the middle. I'm excited. But that was my rough shopping today. As you guys know, I'm always trying to find a bargain. I'm not the cheapest. I don't look for name brands. I don't look for any of that. The most important thing is for me to find value, right? So if it's made well, it costs decent, I'm getting it, you know. However, there are things that we can always do without that we don't have to get. So let's be honest, I didn't have to buy those 2 pots right now because I'm probably not going to use it until next summer. However, I saw it and it's something that I really want, and so I got it. The other thing that I got a little Nike shoes for JoJo, but I don't see them. They're probably still in the car. in between time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a happy holiday. Whether you just celebrated Thanksgiving and you're looking forward to Christmas, whatever it is, thank you guys so much for giving me your time. I really appreciate it. Your time is valuable. It's something that you can never get back in return. Here's what I gotta say. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. Also, my next channel, Let's Talk About It. Go ahead over and check that out. Also, remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment over there as well. But please, enjoy your holidays, stay safe, spend smart, but most importantly, be present, you know? Sometimes we always think about the presents, getting the food, getting this, getting that, but we're so busy trying to get caught up with everything that we're just not present. So that might be your present for this year, huh? Give somebody that as a present. I don't know. But anyways, thank y'all so much for joining me. I really appreciate you. Remember to subscribe. Hit that notification bell down there. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Talk soon. One love.
Oh, this is cute. These are so cute. This is nice. Kind of like this buckle thing too. Whoa, what is this? Something over the bag. That brand is pretty cool. Gucci or something like that. Pretty nice. I get that cool and always that'd be cool for me. So about these things, it makes the cold weather a reality. I stay in denial until I don't know. Let me think. Should I get this? make an end it. No. $5.99. It feels heavy. Then we're gonna repaint our kitchen, and I need two, of course, two at the same time to go above the cupboards, right? But they can't be too tall because it's not tall up here. There's a short space. I'm not sure how much. Maybe I've tried it before. I have no clue. But I see two of these, but that's kind of small. I do want something bigger or wider, you know? You know, see two or something now? It's too Christmassy because I never use it all year long. I don't just buy things to use one time. I feel like an orchid one I got two pounds. Must stick with the white.